Hello everyone. Today I'll be teaching you how to add some style to your fall wardrobe and give you items that you should consider for some of your fall outfits. Before I start, there's things you must know when it comes to fashion or styling yourself. One of the most important things is to be you. The best version of you is you, and with that comes understanding your body size and shape. There's a difference between something fitting you and something that is a size smaller or a size larger. Pants should be able to sit at your waist comfortably and should not be overly tight or just too large and baggy. Same goes for the upper half of your body. It is different if a shirt or a sweater is designed to be oversized because the fashion designer has a keen eye to these things versus picking up something that is 2 sizes too big and have it looking loose and dangly around the shoulder area. Another thing you should also consider is colors. When choosing colors for an outfit, you generally want to stay within 3 colors. Yes, you can expand from that and mix and match and also add on color complementaries, but it's also good to start with 3 neutral colors. The fashion industry continues to expand beyond means, becoming more and more unique, but that's not what you want to go for. A lot of fashion is centered around trends and what's in style, but that's not always the case. Stick to classic dress wear, styles that come and never go. Style isn't something I would say that you just have, but think of it more like a skill and that you can continue to build on. Put things together, see what you like, and then go from there. Don't be scared to experiment because all it will do is give you information in order to tailor a perfect style for you. Well, enough of that. Let me get started with what you'll need this fall and great additions that can play a vital role in your future outfits. Let's start with one of my personal favorites, turtleneck sweaters. Now, I remember back in the days, these weren't cool, and they made you seem kind of nerdy. Well, think again, they're back in style. Turtlenecks are so versatile and can be put together with so many outfits, all of which pertain to different functions. You can throw on a turtleneck with some jeans, maybe throw it underneath the suit, jean jacket, pea coat, whatever you want. It gives the ability to add simple layers while still being presentable. The first few pairs I got were colors such as white, black, navy, and gray. Next things up, light wash jeans. This one should be a no-brainer for most of us, but light wash jeans add so much complexity to outfits. Get rid of those dark, old, boring jeans and get a pair of light wash jeans. They can go good with dark tops or even bright tops, and they're easy to manage. There's nothing like waking up and not knowing what to wear, and then seeing my light wash jeans smiling at me as I smile back. Having light wash jeans, or even shades of it, allows for simple tops like a black or white t-shirt to look so much better. Now, these are one of my absolute go-tos in my opinion. I don't remember the last time I didn't have a pair of white sneakers in my closet. The simplest of things like white sneakers can make your outfit. Having that color block with white sneakers can go great with just about any outfit and, honestly, any color. You can wear white sneakers to be classy, you can wear them to be casual, you can even wear them at a wedding. It's always good to keep a pair in your inventory since they are so versatile and sometimes lifesavers. Another great addition this fall is flannel shirts. I cannot stress how important this piece here is. These are so simple, yet they are so effective. It doesn't always have to be the red and black one that'll make you look like a lumberjack, but there are nice colors that you can throw over your already neutral outfits. Flannels can be used buttoned underneath a vest, a jacket, and can be worn unbuttoned over a shirt, crewneck sweater, hoodie, whatever you'd like. They're super comfortable and just makes you feel cozy when you're outside. With everything I gave you, you can probably put an outfit together, but let's not forget to top it all off with accessories. Now, accessories can change any ordinary outfit and make it look like you spent time into deciding what you wanted to wear in the morning. It's very hard to get into accessories, but start small and experiment with what you like, whether it be a simple silver watch, a nice ring, or even simple jewelry like bracelets and necklaces. They can go a long way, and depending on who you are, you can play around with it. For example, I have seen some people match the metal of their glasses to their accessories, which I think is really cool. This is not only a confidence booster in itself, but also adds to your diversity and unique style. Maybe you're a watch bracelet guy, maybe you're a necklace, 2 bracelets, ring guy. Whatever it may be, don't be afraid to play around with accessories. Well, now that you guys know what I have planned for today, I better go ahead and change my outfit. Thank you guys for all watching, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.